In this guide, I'll show you how to unlink your EA account from Apex Legends on PS4, PS5, Xbox, or Steam. Now, this will sign you out of your Apex Legends account so you can sign in with a new email. So, the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, and then in search, you want to type in EA login in search. From here, you want to select Electronic Arts homepage at the top, and then once you're here, you want to select the profile icon in the top right corner and you want to select sign in. From here, you want to sign into your EA account that's associated with your Apex Legends account, whether it's on PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or one of these other ones. Now, once you're signed in, it'll bring you back to this home page, and what you want to do is select the profile icon in the top right corner again and go to Account Settings. Then you want to scroll down on this page and have a look on the left sidebar and click on Connections. Now that'll bring you to this page where it's going to show all the accounts that are linked to your EA account. So we have PlayStation, Xbox, and Steam's just right down here. So in this example, I'm going to do Xbox. As you can see, I have my account right here, and I'm going to go to Unlink. Then it's going to send a verification code to your email to prove it's your account. And so you want to go ahead and grab that verification code and then go to Submit. Then it's going to give you this warning that when you unlink a platform account from your EA account, you'll be able to link it to another EA account, but your in-game progress will not transfer over. So have a read through this entire thing and make sure you've read it. And if you're okay with everything, check mark the bottom and go to unlink. And once you've done that, you can now see I have no Xbox account linked to my EA account. Then what you want to do is fully close out the game on your console or PC, and then you want to boot it back up. And now you can see that we're signed out of Apex Legends, and it's simply just a matter of going through the sign up process as you would when you first started. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.